Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Program is Electrical Engineering Department, class EE4I, semester 4th. Course name is Digital Electronics and Microcontroller Applications, course code 22421. Now here we go for the subject DEM, that is nothing but the digital electronics and microcontroller application. In that there are 5 units for this subject. First one is logic gates and logic families. Second one is combinational logic and sequential logic circuits. Then third unit is basics of microprocessor and 8051 microcontroller. Then fourth unit is 8051 instruction sets and programming. Unit 5, 8051 memory, device interfacing and applications. There are total 5 units in the subject DEM. In that, first is logic gates and logic families. In that, we have to see what are the symbols of the logic gates. Then, what is the truth table for that, and then types of the logic gates. Again the boolean algebra. In that we have to see the what are the laws of boolean algebra. Then duality theorems and de Morgan's theorem. Then next is that is nothing but the logic families, and in that we have to see the characteristics of logic families. And at the last point of the unit 1, we see the comparison of the logic families, that is TTL, CMOS and ECL family. Uh, so we start the unit 1, that is logic gates and logic families. In that, the logic gates is classified into 3 categories. First is basic logic gates. Second one is universal logic gate, and third one is other logic gates. Okay, the logic gates is classified into 3 categories, that is basic logic gates, universal logic gates and other logic gates. Other logic gates is also called as derived gates. Then basic logic gate is further classified into 3 categories, that is AND gate, then NOT gate and OR gate. Universal logic gate is classified into 2 types, NAND gate and NOR gate. Then other logic gates or derived gates is classified into 2 categories, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. These are the types of logic gates. In the decimal system, which is used in our day-to-day life, the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, etc., are used to solve the arithmetic equations. So, the George Boole developed a mathematical system for formulating the logic statements with the symbols so that the problems can be written and solved in a manner similar to ordinary algebra. This is called as Boolean algebra, and it is extremely useful in the design and analysis of the digital systems or digital circuits. Boolean algebra is used to write or simplify the logic expressions. To solve or simplify the logic expressions used in the digital circuits, we need to use logical operators. The 3 main logical operators are, that is nothing but the AND operator, or operator and not operator. That is nothing but the this gate shows that operation. Okay, so we have to see the logic gate. Logic gates are the logic circuits which act as the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more inputs and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on the certain logic. Depending on this logic, the gates are named as NOT gate, then AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, etc. We have to use the different laws, rules, and theorems to analyze the digital circuits. By connecting the gates mentioned earlier in different ways, we can build a circuit that can perform arithmetic and other functions associated with the human brain. Because they simulate mental processes, gates are often called as logic circuits. Okay, and the two important characteristics of the logic gates are that is nothing but the truth table of that logic gate and the boolean expression. Okay, if we see here, this is the truth table for the AND gate and this is the logical expression for the AND gate. These are two important characteristics for the any logic gate. Okay, then what is the truth table? The operation of logic gate or a logic circuit can be best understood with the help of a table called as truth table. The truth table consists of all the possible combinations of the inputs and the corresponding state of output produced by that logic gate or logic circuits. Then what is mean by this Boolean expression? The relation between the inputs and the outputs of a gate can be expressed mathematically by mean of the Boolean expression. Okay, so now we see the logic gates one by one. Here, the digital systems are said to be constructed by using the logic gates. These gates are the AND or NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR gates. The basic operations are described below with the aid of the truth tables. Okay, so first gate is AND gate. So for AND gate, here this is the symbol for the AND gate. If we see here, there are two inputs, that is first is X and second is Y. Okay, and here only a single output, because we see earlier the logic gates consist of one or many inputs. Okay, one or many or inputs, but the output is only single, that is output is only one. So if we see here the AND gate is consist of two inputs. Okay, AND gate consists of two inputs, that is X and Y, and output is Z, that is denoted by number 3, and this is the logical expression for this logic gate, that is nothing but the Boolean expression. So here Z is nothing but the output. Okay, if we see here, this Z is nothing but the output. Okay, and this XY combination is nothing but the input. So Boolean expression is nothing but the combination of output and input. So here Z is equal to X and Y. The AND gate consists of nothing but AND gate consists is nothing but the multiplication of both the inputs or multiplication of the inputs. Okay, so output of the AND gate is nothing but the multiplication of the inputs. So here if we see the inputs and output table, that is nothing but the truth table, then input here X and Y and output is denoted by Z. So if the input is 2, then the combination is 4. Okay, this combination is given by this combination is given by the equation, that is, if combination I say the combination name is C, we find out the total combination, then combination is represented by C, assume that, then the combination is given by 2 to the power n, that is nothing but where n is the number of these inputs. Okay, n is the number of inputs. If we see here, AND gate consists of only two inputs, x and y, then what are these combinations? If you see here, this is the combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is the combination, and the total combination number is 4. Okay, the total combination is 4. So if we see here, inputs is 2, so combination is 2 to the power, so combination is 2 to the power 2, that is nothing but 4. Okay, in that way we can calculate the combinations for the logic gates. Okay, so AND gate consists of multiplication of both the inputs, that is nothing but their output consists, the AND gate output consists that multiplication of both the inputs. So x and y, if we multiply the x and y, we get the output of the AND gate. So first combination is 0 0. So 0 into 0 is 0. Okay, then 0 into 1 is 0, because any number multiplied with 0 is contain 0. Then 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. So the AND operation, that means what? If the one input of a AND operation is permanently kept at low, that is 0 level, then the output is 0 irrespectively, okay, of the other available input. Because if we multiply any input by 0, then output will be 0. Okay, so this is the condition for the AND gate. If we multiply, or if any one input is 0 for the AND gate, or in a truth table, if any input of of an AND operation is permanently kept low, okay, that is nothing but 0, then the output is 0 irrespective of the another variable, because it consists of multiplication, Now we see the next gate, that is OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output, that is nothing but 1, if one or more of its inputs are high. So A plus, okay, A plus is used to show a plus sign, that is used to show the OR operation. Okay, like A dot B. Okay, A dot B is shows the AND operation. Likewise, A plus B shows the OR operation. Okay, so here we consider the operation plus. Okay, but if you say that 1 plus 1 is 2, then it is not possible, because here only we have to use the binary numbers, that is 0 and only 1. Okay, so the output is only in the format of 0 and 1. So here, this is the symbolic representation for the OR gate. Okay, this is the symbolic representation for the OR gate. Okay, this is symbolic representation. If we see here, AND gate is showing like that, then OR gate is showing like that. Okay, this is the difference in the logic, a symbolic representation. Okay, here also two variables, that is A and B. So total combination is C is equal to 2 to the power 2, that is nothing but the 4. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then output is C. So here we see that a plus is used to show the OR operation. So what is the Boolean expression for the OR operation? Is nothing but C is equal to, because C is the output, C is equal to A plus B. And this is the Boolean expression for the OR gate. If we see here, for first, here we simply do the plus operation, that is nothing but addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay.